Hi guys, I'm Dorota International nail artist and educator here, and today we are gonna do some quick and easy tulip flowers. You can have a preview of them in here. I will show you step by step how to do this look, and I hope you really enjoy it. So let's start. Really simple tulip flower, and I have prepared also for you some daffodils as well, like there is a video of them. You can see it like as a time for the spring colors. We are going to use the background of 235, so just paint a tip in this color, and I think it just goes perfect with the spring theme. So paint it nice and then cook it. I have also repainted quickly like one which is ready in here, and we can start painting when this one is cooking. On my mixing palette I've got mixture from the previous painting, and it was a shame to bin it. We used the gel art, and I'm just gonna add some more colors which we need. So that's a yellow one, so I drop more of it, and then I want to drop more of the blue as well. They mix absolutely amazing, like, and you can create any color out of it. Okay, so my mixture is getting ready. I can repaint quickly a second coat of this color. So I can show you two different type of tulips, like slightly different placement of it. And also it's easier for you to understand like how to paint it if I show you on two designs. Okay, so first of all, we want to do some leaves, and if you would mix your color like really solid green, it wouldn't look interesting. So what I like to do is don't mix it completely. Like I will have some places where I still pick up the green and yellow. You can see it on my brush. You can even dip in a little bit in a black as well. So this way you get like a 3 colors in a 1 scoop of the brush. See, press it hard. It's absolutely beautiful mixture, and then press it lighter. We have painted first leaf, and it looks so real and so much better than if you would just paint with one color. Like I find it, this is always making my painting more interesting. So like the messier the brush, the better results you will get. Okay, and then we are gonna grab a D-liner brush and again pick up a messy mixture so we can do a stem for our tulip. There we are. Let's cure it and then do something similar, maybe with an extra one on the top. So I'm gonna paint some leaves in here. Then add the mixture, paint another one in there. So because I'm pressing harder, like I need to kind of sharpen up the tip of my brush to be able to do the end, which is much thinner. And then we can paint also something, maybe one like which is almost behind it. So if we place the tulip here, we could place another leaf there. A bit too flat, so D-liner brush, and I'm just gonna add some black through it. And then the stem. So we've got one tulip there, which is higher and bigger, and the one which is just behind it and is much smaller. Okay, let's cure it. Okay, time for the flower head. So we are gonna clean the brush with a drop of the UV cleanser. Just a small drop, and then pick up our red. Paint the shape of the tulip, which is like a little bit thinner at the top and then slightly thicker at the bottom. Okay, once you've got that, pick up some white without of cleaning your brush, and then you will have like a really nice light pink mixture. and then start adding those petals. So without of curing, what I'm doing is I'm touching gently on the top, and my brush is quite messy, which gives a really nice results. Okay, so we have painted the petal which is on the top, tiny bit more white, not too much, so you can outline it later on. And then we are going to do another petal here, really nice and beautiful. And then we are going to add another one in the middle. And one on the side. Press much harder and then lighter. Touch up this one on the bottom. So you can see it, we still got some part which is quite dark inside, and you want to keep that. Let's cure it. And then paint some tulips here. Again, I even didn't clean my brush. So we're gonna have some small one here, and then much bigger one in there. Grab my white and pink mixture. And then again, white and pink mixture. Press it much harder if you want your petal to be larger. Squeeze one in here. And then another one which is on the side. Okay, and this way we have painted pretty tulips. Let's add the detail into them. So what you want to do it is grab your D-liner brush. We still got actually green on it, and just join them so they don't see flying on that stem. I like to add those little green in here, like make it more solid. You can even prolong the sleeve. Okay, same here, make it more solid. And then here, almost like even, it's almost like the leaves are holding it. There we are. And just separate the sleeve. So what I did, I drop of the black in there, and I need to just separate those leaves because this one is more closed. Okay, clean my brush, and now I want to outline it with some white, like very little white, guys. So I've got my white microscopic size on the brush, and then we are gonna add some detail here. Nice and wavy. Kind of highlight this petal. You can even blend it a little bit. To create some lines. Okay, we are also gonna highlight this one. Thicker here and then thinner. And then let's cook it. I love them, like they I actually have the same ones in the garden. Highlighted this opening. Small highlight here, and to be honest, that's enough in this one. You don't want to overdo it, just some places. And this one is still closed. but you want to just give it this wee line in there. Cook it, and then we can top coat it with simple tulips. Some people might want them on their nails, so I thought I will show you all sorts of different spring flowers and the easiest way to achieve them. Like definitely those watercolor brush makes your work much faster. You don't have to play as much with it, and the trick with like using a few different colors on your brush make the things even more interesting. So let's top coat it, and then I can show you all three together. Okay, so let's grab my display here, get rid of the daffodils and put the tulips here. So we've got the first one. Here we are. Don't want to touch it too strongly because I tend to undercure it a little bit. And that's what we have created today. I hope, guys, you have really enjoyed learning this simple design. Sending you huge glittery hugs, and bye for now.